Okay, next question. Question number 30. The most reactive nucleophile among the following is A. CH3O minus, CH5O minus, CH3 2 CHO minus, and CH3 CO minus. The interesting fun information here it is, what is nucleophile, what is electrophile, you must know. Nucleophile means any species which may be neutral or negatively charged, having affinity towards nucleus is called a nucleophile. So in this case, everything is minus, so it is a nucleophile. The question is, which is most reactive nucleophile? That means, nucleophile means it will attack the substrate. It will go and attack the substrate, which will easily attract. Kindly follow this minus in all the cases of minus. Only thing is, it is purely depending upon the donating capacity of the lone pair of electron present in the atom. So now it depends upon the primary, secondary, tertiary, or the corresponding the benzene ring. So let me go for it. So we can explain this with the help of inductive effect. What is inductive effect? The permanent effect whereby the polarity is induced on the carbon atom of substrate and the substituent attached to it by minor displacement of bonding electron pair, which arises due to the difference in electronegativity, is called inductive. Usually represented by, suppose this is example methanol, then arrow at the center of the bond, so OH delta minus CH3 delta plus, always present, it is permanent. This is called inductive effect. Can you follow? So what is minus I? Suppose this example you take ethyl chloride. When the substituent attached to carbon atom is an electron attracting group, that is Cl, it develops a partial negative charge, usually represented by delta I, and the carbon develops a positive charge. So first carbon delta plus, second carbon 2 delta plus. So inductive effect will be more very near close to this chlorine, and when it is far and far away, inductive effect decreases. This is the information for minus I. Coming for plus I effect, in the same way, when the substituent attached to carbon atom is an electron donating group, tertiary for example, all electron releasing groups, so it develops a partial positive charge usually represented by plus, that is delta plus. So that's nearest carbon delta minus, this carbon to delta minus. So this carbon H2 will be more effect than this carbon will be less effect. The generalization is inductive effect decreases as the length of the chain increases. So I have explained both what is minus I, what is plus I. Now let me give the groups here. Electron releasing group. Plus I groups are tertiary butyl is more electron releasing secondary than primary, ethyl than methyl. Same for electron attracting groups, NO2 greater than Cn, greater than F, greater than COH, greater than Cl, greater than Br, greater than I, greater than OH, greater than OCH3, greater than phenyl group. Students, this should be memorized. You have to memorize. If two different groups are attached, then you have to first find out which is more electron attracting or releasing. You have to find out. Now, question is here is, based on the inductive effect, these are all electron releasing groups. What will happen now? The most reactive nucleophile among the following is, I can think of here is, kindly follow. So there are three groups, bulky groups, and you see here C6H5, here 2H CH3. So what will happen now? The more reactive based on the inductive effect is CH3O-.